Whether to buy a Mac or a Windows PC depends on your specific needs, preferences, and budget. Both Mac and Windows PCs have their strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to consider what factors are most important to you. Here are some factors to consider when making your decision. For Mac, here are some factors. Operating system. macOS is known for its sleek design, stability, and ease of use. It's a great choice if you're already invested in the Apple ecosystem and want a seamless XP Mac or a Windows PC. Evidence across devices. Hardware options. Apple offers a limited range of Mac models, but they are known for their high build quality and aesthetics. Price. Macs tend to be more expensive than many Windows PCs with similar hardware specifications. Software compatibility. Some specialized software may not be available on macOS, so check if the software you need is compatible. Gaming. While Macs can handle some games, they are not known for their gaming performance. If gaming is a priority, a Windows PC is a better choice. For Windows PC, here are some factors. Operating system. Windows offers more hardware choices and is more versatile in terms of software compatibility. It's the go-to choice for most businesses and gamers. Hardware options. There are countless options from various manufacturers, allowing you to find a PC that suits your budget and specific needs. Price. You can find Windows PCs in a wide range of price points, making it easier to find something that fits your budget. Software compatibility. Windows has a larger market share, so it generally has better software compatibility, including a wider range of games. Gaming. Windows PCs are the preferred choice for gaming due to a wider selection of games and better graphics card options. Ultimately, the choice between a Mac and a Windows PC depends on your personal preferences and how you plan to use the computer. Take into account your budget, specific software needs, and any existing hardware or software ecosystems you're part of. It's also a good idea to test out both systems in a store or get hands-on experience with them if possible before making a decision. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel to know more about technical and informative videos.